Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your photo on Snapchat if you have deleted and want to recover it. And if you have deleted a photo on Snapchat and want to recover it, here are some steps you can try. You can go check your recycle bin. In some version of Snapchat, deleted photos are temporarily stored in the recycle bin or trash. So first open the Snapchat app and check if you have deleted photos are there. Or you could also check your photos in your in Google Photos or iCloud. You may be able to recover it from there as well. And if you have still trouble recovering your deleted photos, you can also try contacting your Snapchat customer support. Go to the Google Store, type down Snapchat support, and they may be able to assist you. And these are the steps that can help you recover your deleted Snapchat pictures. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.